different types of planes on 2D sketch, 3D sketch and 3D model. I hope you like it. So let's start to see how many types of planes we can create. Now here let's make plane on 3D model. So we will see how many types of planes we can create with the help of this model. So let's open reference geometry, drop down the menu and you will find here planes. Basically we can create planes on faces, edges and vertices. With the help of these three aspects we can create many types of planes. So first we will create a plane on face. If you choose any face, you will see here you can adjust the height and everything. Just change the dimension 20, 25, anything you can change it. This is the parallel to the face, perpendicular to the face. This is the face and see this is perpendicular to face. It is also coincide with face. If you see, it is coincide with face. Either you can change, okay, angle even though you can change, see, parallel to distance. Even though you can choose flip offset 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number of planes you want to create, you can create with the help of this plane. Now the second plane is face and edge. Second plane on face and edge. So first reference we will choose any face like this one, and the second one we will choose edge. So I'll choose this edge. See, the first one is face, second one is edge. Face is perpendicular to this one. Even you can apply parallel, but it won't work. Perpendicular to this, and even if you can define the angle also, any angle, any kind of things you can simply choose. Flip 90 degree, flip. So this is the plane and edge, face and edge plane. Now the third one is vertex. We can create plane with the help of vertex. So let's say first reference, this vertex, where more than two lines join is called vertex. Second one, let's say this one, and third vertex, third reference, I'll choose this. See, the plane going to create. Here you will find only one condition. See, plane created with the help of. Now here the next plane we will create vertex plus edges. So I'll choose here, let's say vertex, this one, okay, and I'll choose one edge. So I'll choose, let's say this one. See, a plane going to create in between vertex and edge. Here also no conditions. Now here we are going to create a plane on with the help of face and vertex. So let's say first reference I'll choose, let's say this vertex. The second reference I'll choose the face. Now see, this plane lies on this vertex, but it is parallel. See here, parallel to this. Even though you can put perpendicular to this, but you can't make coincidence. See, but you can define. Even you can't define the angle. See? Now let's make a plane on parallel and circular face. So let's say I'll choose one parallel face, and the second reference this tangent. Now here you will see the face one is tangent to this face or this plane, even though you can keep parallel. See, it's become parallel to this. It's so simple. Vertical. Tangent. This is second one is tangent. Even you can define angle. See, offset, (135° or something like this we can do. So this is the face and circular face tangent plane. Now here let's create a plane on this point. So select first reference, this line. Second reference, choose this point. See, it is created. Now let's create a plane on 3D sketch. Simply draw 3D sketch. Choose your line and draw any line like opposite direction. Press tab key. This direction. Press tab key. Downward direction. Right click, exit. Now see, this is the 3D plane. Even you can apply a plane on this, but here you have to choose all three references. First point, second point, and if you choose OK, see, it will ask you build warning. So you have to choose third plane also. Any reference plane you have to apply. Let's say front plane. See, if I choose front plane, see front plane, you have a condition perpendicular, parallel. Parallel won't work, perpendicular it works perfectly. Even though angle also won't work. So this is the simple ways you can create a planes on different 2D axis, 3D sketch and 3D models. I hope you like it. So these are the planes what we created on 3D model, 2D sketch and 3D sketch. If you don't like this, want to hide this plane, simply go to head up tool I and click view planes. See, all the planes are hidden.